Putin accused Washington of seeking to extend its jurisdiction to the whole world. Denouncing the rhetoric of trade wars and sanctions, Putin called for rethinking the role of the US dollar in global trade and slammed American pressure on Russia and China. Pointing to Washington's restrictions of China's Huawei, Putin said, "They are attempting not just to squeeze, but to unceremoniously push the company out of the global market." Xi said, "China is ready to share technical expertise with all partners, in particular in 5G. Pointing to Russia as a key partner, he said China wants to build beneficial cooperation on the basis of equality and mutual respect with friendly countries. He said more needs to be done to overcome inequalities in the global economic system.